Congratulations! You have gone through a whole summer's worth of work to get to the show day. And it's about show day, and let's go over the procedures on how to show a sheep on show day. So step 1, always keep the lamb between you and the judge. Never step in front of the judge's point of view. So the judge right here is looking at the back of the lamb, so you don't want to step to the side because he could also be looking at these sides. So always keep the lamb between the judge and you. Step 2, always smile. Make sure that you're having eye contact with the judge and smiling at him. You want to make sure that he knows that you're having fun. He wants to see you having fun. He doesn't want to see you frustrated, and you want to make sure that you're looking at the judge. So right here, my brother is doing a great job smiling, and this guy is doing a great job smiling as well, and doing good eye contact. Step 3, setting up the lamb's feet. One of the single most important things in showing a lamb is setting up the feet. We call this setting up the feet square. So the lamb's feet are even with each other and even at the front, and it shows off these muscles. Which leads us into our next step of bracing the lamb. The judge is going to come up and he's going to feel the loin and the hock. You need to brace that lamb hard, but not too hard, so that those muscles tighten up. But you want your sheep's feet to be square so that the judge can see and feel the lamb, so it can feel that cut of meat. Step 5, success. You have successfully shown your sheep. Now, whether you won reserve grand champion, that doesn't matter. But what matters is that you learn from it. And I hope that you have learned from this video and this helps you in your upcoming show.